Anita, don't!
She deserves to know who made the first move.
What?
Apolita, I can explain.
No, let me. It wasn't him.
Then who was it?
People are pulling in millions of views with AI fruit drama videos, and the crazy part? You don't need to film anything. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow I use, from scripting to talking characters, all powered by AI. If you want to create viral short videos without ever showing your face, this is one of the simplest workflows right now. I use Claude Code to generate the script, Nano Banana to create the visuals, and Dzine AI to turn everything into talking, lip-synced characters, so you can produce content fast and at scale. By the way, I'm Alex, and if you want all my AI workflows, prompt packs, and tools like this, you can join our free AI creator community. Links in the description. Let's dive in. Step 1. Use Claude Code for the story. First, I go into Claude Code and generate the full mini-drama idea. This is where I create the plot, the character personalities, and the dialogue. What to say on screen? My prompt is simple. Create a short, viral fruit drama story with a strong hook, 2 to 3 characters, and dramatic dialogue that works in under 30 seconds. Example dialogue. Banana. I can explain. Apple. Explain what? Everyone saw you with Mango. Mango. Don't drag me into this. Claude Code is basically helping me structure the whole short before I make any visuals. Step 2. Use Nano Banana for images. Once I have the script, I move to Nano Banana to generate the fruit characters and scenes. What to show? Banana character, apple character, mango character, dramatic villa or reality show background. This part is important because the characters need to look consistent. So instead of generating random images every time, I keep the same style, same mood, and same character description across every scene. Example prompt. Create a dramatic 3D cartoon banana character with expressive eyes, reality show style lighting, tropical villa background, cinematic framing. Then I do the same for apple and mango and generate a few scene variations for each shot. Step 3. Bring the images into Dzine AI. Now this is where everything starts feeling like a real video. I upload the character images into Dzine AI and use its talking avatar and lip sync tools to animate them. Dzine can animate an avatar image or video, sync the mouth to custom text or audio, and generate speech from text, which makes it perfect for this kind of content. I upload my banana image first, paste in the dialogue, then choose a voice. After that, Dzine generates a talking version with lip sync. If I want a scene with more than one character, Dzine also has multi-character dialogue and lip sync tools that support up to 4 faces in one scene, which is really useful for fruit drama conversations. Add voice and talking scenes. For the voice, I have 2 options. I can upload my own audio, or I can type the dialogue and use Dzine's text-to-speech workflow to generate the voice automatically. Example narration. So for banana, I'll use a nervous voice. For apple, I want something more angry and dramatic. And for mango, I want a confident tone. This is what makes the video feel more like a mini show instead of just a slideshow. Once all my talking clips are ready, I drop everything into CapCut, or sometimes my usual editing app. But this part right here, this is where retention happens. You need big subtitles, fast cuts every 1 to 2 seconds, zoom-ins to keep it dynamic, dramatic music to build tension, and reaction sound effects to keep it alive. Keep the pacing fast, make the subtitles impossible to ignore, and make every single line feel dramatic. Step 6. Final result. So the final workflow is super simple. Claude Code writes the drama, Nano Banana creates the characters, and Dzine AI makes them talk. That means you can create a full AI short without filming anything yourself. If you want, I can make a full episode series with banana, apple, and mango. Comment part 2, and I'll turn this into a full viral fruit drama channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.